right, welcome to another episode of Bubby Boys TV. I see a Nerf blaster on your arm, man.
So this is the Miles Morales Across the Spider-Verse Nerf blaster for the new movie that is coming out soon.
All right, let me get a close-up of it. Very nice, very nice. All right, so how many, what's it shoot, 3 Nerf bullets at a time?
Yeah.
All right, very cool.
Let's try to hit the target.
All right, so we're gonna do our target weapons test.
Now this gun has some serious force to it.
Oh, it shoots fast?
Yeah. That's it.
Hold on. Oh, you hit it. Nice.
Replay.
All right, so it's got a decent, you can hit, but how's the range? Can you shoot long range or short range?
Let's find out.
Holy moly. That thing does have some range. All right, so that thing's got some range on it.
Yeah.
Let me see it. So you just put the bullets in and then you do a quick cock back.
Yeah. It has a Spider-Man symbol on it too.
Ooh. Nice piece of merchandise. Oh,
Well, I think we said.
that one got some range. Probably about 30 yards.
There's a little wristband in here.
Okay. Slide your hand right on in there.
Yeah.
Fits perfectly.
Yeah, and I like how they have little lightning webs.
You kind of look like Miles Morales, man. You can go for a Miles Morales, dude.
Yeah.
You hear that, Disney? We need that contract. Miles Morales, Aiden.
Marvel.
Yeah, Marvel, that's right. All right, let's give it another test. Right there, from right there.
Okay.
Let's see if you can hit a bullseye. Booyaka! Oh, miss.
I hit a bullseye.
Ah, that's cheating, man. That don't count. How you think that thing will hold up in a battle if somebody has a Nerf gun?
But this thing actually suits with force.
Yeah, that one does have more power, I will admit. I saw it swooping through the house and I was like, hold up, man, that thing's a little strong. Yeah.
So let me try another one. Oh, man. Okay. Try a new one.
Oh, missed.
Didn't want that one first.
Oh, there you go. Hit the target.
Almost. It hit the target and went.
All right, so that's another quick, easy Nerf weapons test from the Bubby Boys. What do you think of this one, man?
This one is pretty cool.
Okay. A little different from your traditional gun. This one's on your arm. Kind of reminds me of the Predator. You know how he's got that thing on his arm?
Yeah.
All right, guys, thanks for watching another one of our quick videos. We'll see you guys next time on Bubby Boys TV, your favorite place for toy reviews, gaming, and skits.
Bye.
Peace.